So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Arnav Srivastava. So today I achieved 6.06 PB single with a ZBLL in the solve. So scrambles are on the top of the screen where you can scramble with me. So this is the scramble of my PB. So I make a yellow X cross, yellow cross. My cross pieces are here, 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 and here. So I insert this piece and then do a D prime and then do a B and I do a L prime, U prime, L. So take out this piece and D2, and when I insert this piece, this 3 mover is ready to take in the back. So I did a U prime and R prime, U prime R, and this pair also free. So I did a U2 R U R prime, and I take a rotation and U prime R U R prime, and very easy ZBLL games. And I U A. So bye, subscribe for more.